I look around at this place, Jess and Herman, that you've brought us here in this amazing, this place has spectacular views. And as I think about how you've brought us out here in this beautiful place, it takes me back to the very first marriage. Because the very first marriage was an outdoor marriage, it was an outdoor wedding. And it was right there in the Garden of Eden that God gives us a winning formula on how to win in marriage. God gives us a winning formula on how we can win in relationships. Because God is not interested in marriages that last 6 weeks, 6 months, 6 years. God's intention for marriage to be for a lifetime. And God gives us a winning formula. And the winning formula on how to win in marriage is this. The formula is the power of one. The power of oneness. There is power, Jess and Herman, when you are one. There is power when you are united. You are powerless when you are divided. Success in marriage is not about having lots of things, even though it's nice. Success in marriage is not about having a nice car and a flash house, even though it's nice. But success in marriage is when we're going through the storms in life, but you are both one and committed to work things through together. That's success. When you're down to your last dollar, but when you're both one, then you have one. This is why God says in the very first marriage, He said, therefore, a man shall leave his father and mother and be joined to his wife, and they shall become one flesh.
I, Herman, before God and in the presence of our family and friends, take you, Jess, to be my wedded wife, to live together in God's plans for marriage. I promise to love you, to comfort you, to honor you, and to cherish you in sickness and in health, in prosperity or adversity, and forsaking all others. I keep only unto you, so long as we both shall live, till death do us part. This is my promise to you.
I, Jess, before God, and in the presence of our family and friends, I take you, Herman, to be my wedded husband, to live together in God's divine plan for marriage. I promise to love you, to comfort you, and to honor you, and cherish you in sickness and in health, in prosperity or adversity, and forsaking all others. I keep only unto you, so long as we both shall live, till death do us part. This is my promise to you.
Jess, with this ring, I commit the rest of my life and my love to you. And may this be a symbol of my everlasting love and devotion.
Herman, with this ring, I commit the rest of my life and my love to you. And may this be a symbol of my everlasting love and devotion to you.
As a minister of the gospel of Jesus Christ, that I now declare you, in the name of the Father, of the Son, of the Holy Spirit, I declare you husband and wife. You may kiss your beautiful bride. my absolute privilege to announce to you Mr. and Mrs. Ene.
We on, say minimum. We creating good vibes with the thrill of it, say no more. If you're feeling it, put this on repeat, cause you know we been killing it. We on, say minimum. We creating good vibes with the thrill of it, say no more. If you're feeling it, put this on repeat, cause you know we been killing it.
No stop, say less. Almost a speed, drinking full strength. Beers for the buzz, can never get enough. Party till the morning, yeah, we living it up. But wait, look back. See most of West Sculling, that's facts. I'm here for a good time and a long time.
Say minimum. We creating good vibes with the thrill of it, say no more. If you're feeling it, put this on repeat, cause you know we been killing it. We on, say minimum. We creating good vibes with the thrill of it, say no more. If you're feeling it, put this on repeat, cause you know we been killing it.
Say so no la e Samoa amata ususule Yulia luile atoa Suluile malo mamalua ile tuinga salani le uua ovale ila Awalunga ioleta so asilile mata ina Fai mamalule faiva Isilile sila sila Taura wangaba Isio sasa Ele mamaluna youla Esilia tulava iona po Eila Samoa mamalua ila valo sau noa Olo anele fua malepa o fai mali e ole pati malepo Sei fa solo fai wasaongi ya malene ya So ala o tele la vale fata fiti Taua lunga le sona ta fiti E ute o fia ngafa asamo Moni lava uasili Fai mamalule faiva Esilile sila Saula wangaba Isio sasa Ele mamaluna youla Esilia tulava iona poneila Samoa mamalua ila valo sa